Did you know that a small shift in the stock market or Bitcoin could make or break your next big investment? If you're ready to understand how to stay ahead in this financial roller coaster, you're in the right place. Let's break it all down together. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the world of finance and cryptocurrency for you. Today, we're diving into the latest analysis of the stock market and Bitcoin to help you make smarter decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video is packed with insights you can't afford to miss. Stock market overview. Let's start with the stock market. Recently, we've seen mention any major trend or event, like a Fed rate hike, geopolitical news, or a tech boom. These events are causing ripples across sectors. Tech stocks are showing trend, for example, bullish recovery or downward pressure. And here's why. Explain briefly in simple terms. Energy sector is reacting to oil prices, renewable investments, etc. Now, what does this mean for you? The key takeaway here is diversification. Spread your investments across stable sectors to minimize risk while capitalizing on growth opportunities. Bitcoin analysis now. Onto Bitcoin. We all know how volatile Bitcoin can be, but recent data suggests trend, for example, a consolidation phase, a bullish breakout, or bearish resistance. Bitcoin's price is currently sitting at mentioned price or range. Analysts believe the next critical support, resistance level is around mentioned levels. On-chain data shows, for example, increased wallet activity, reduced miner selling. What does this mean? Investors are either preparing for a big move or taking profits. Should you buy, hold, or sell? If you're a long-term investor, focus on dollar cost averaging. If you're trading, keep a close eye on these levels and set stop losses to protect your position. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The stock market and Bitcoin are becoming increasingly intertwined. For example, institutional investors are allocating more funds to Bitcoin, making its price movements partially influenced by the broader market. Economic policies, like interest rate changes, affect both markets similarly. So, if you're following the stock market, use that knowledge to predict potential shifts in Bitcoin and vice versa. Actionable steps for viewers. Here's how you can take advantage of these insights. Stay informed. Regularly track key stock market indices like the S&P 500 and Bitcoin price trends. Use tools like Name Some apps or websites to monitor data in real time. Have a clear plan. Define your goals. Are you investing for the long term or trading for quick profits? Remember, knowledge is your best asset, so never stop learning. Remember, the key to success in investing is staying informed and making decisions based on solid data. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.